For the second time this season, the Falcons are headed to Ann Arbor for women's soccer. This afternoon, NCAA revealing the women's soccer tournament bracket. Bowling Green facing a familiar foe in the two-seeded Wolverines. Now, earlier this year, Falcons fell 2-1 at Michigan. This time, as Britt Del Barba tells us, they have something to prove.
Bowling Green took care of business to win the MAC and a trip to the 2 seed in this first quarter of the bracket. That belongs to Big Ten champion Michigan. The Wolverines stunned.
I think for us, we've played Ann Arbor in the past, we've played Michigan, and we've come close, but we've fallen short. So I think this is a great opportunity to prove what we've learned throughout the season, how we've grown. They've gotten better, we've gotten better, and I think we're ready for it. I think it's exciting. It's close to home. I'm from Michigan, so a lot of my family will be there, so that means a lot to me. So I'm really excited.
This season has definitely given us a bunch of adversity. It hasn't always been easy, but I think one word to describe this team is resilient. And for us to win the regular season and then come again and win the tournament this year and have another chance at the NCAA tournament, we're excited. We've faced Michigan plenty of times in the past. The results haven't always gone our way, but I think we know what we need to get done, so we're excited for that game.
With the way that the season was, that we had it in the spring this year, so we were in season January through till May, and then having to turn around and do the same again and have another season back to back, I think it's quite remarkable that we've been able to win the regular season and the conference tournament back to back all within the same calendar year, because it's tough to do that when you're playing the team so many times over the course of 12 months and keeping everybody fresh and keeping everybody committed to what we've got to get done. So it was a special one for us because it's been a tough year.
It's just going to take a little bit of belief. I mean, everyone's gone through long seasons. We've gone through long seasons, so has Michigan. Just a little bit of belief, and our goal is to win a first round NCAA tournament match, and just that belief that we can do that. I think that's going to be our fire for us.
This is a naturally competitive group of players that challenge themselves to be the best every day, and we love coaching this group, and they work really hard. So it's not. I'm not going to say it's been an easy season, you know, but the way we've responded and bounced back and continue to believe and continue to trust the process, I couldn't be more proud of the team.
You just have to take each game as an individual game and not look ahead, because we know where we have been, we have our goals, what we've set for ourselves, but if we look at each game, respect each opponent, trust the game plan our coaches have put in place, it does great things for us, and we're confident as a team, but we also respect our opponent as well.